So, how many more want to get it only today? 32 to 36 anyways planned for today. Twenty-three, 22, 23, 26. So 22, 23 also wanted to finish it today. That's what you are saying. Twenty-one, 21 and 15 also. Let me see. I'll just take your input and we will 21 also. Everybody except group 19, everybody wants to get it done today itself. See, I cannot manage everything, team. Everything in one day may not be possible. Now you have to volunteer from these groups who are okay for tomorrow. Okay, now I don't want to go through all this. 12 can give tomorrow. Okay. So 12 I'm making it for tomorrow. 12 and 19. Any others? Group 1 is okay for tomorrow? Okay. Anybody else who is okay for tomorrow? 15 I have kept it for today. So 3, 7, 9, 14 and these except these 3. So I have got all these for today. 19 also is ready for today, but I wanted to know who are okay for tomorrow. 1, 12, 19 are okay for tomorrow, right? So all these wanted their reviews to be done today itself. 9, 12, 13. 19 also today. So 1 and 12. I want some of you to, because I'm not sure whether I will be able to finish it or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14. See, you have to be genuine. Otherwise, the last groups, I'll call one from top and one from bottom. So, group 1 and 12, you can leave for the day. You can disconnect the call. We'll have it tomorrow. And we are supposed to take up only those batches have to be there, it seems. Okay, that's the update I got. So we will try to follow that pattern. Okay, I'll just give you this one. pay.msSSPR. Try this, log in with your Wipro ID and try to unlock your account. Okay. 38 is ready for tomorrow. Great. Okay. So first I wanted to finish it away for group 36. So group 36, please share your screen. I have only this Shravya with me, which I use whenever my account gets locked. Link definitely works. Why does it not work? It is working. I am able to access that link. Please try it today. Okay. So group 36, please share your screen. And next it will be group 3. Okay, group 3, please start. Group 3, please share your screen quickly. You can unmute Kaushiki. You can unmute and speak, Kaushiki.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, very good afternoon. Can you be louder? Your audio is very feeble.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
You have to be louder. Please check your mic.
Ma'am, 1 second, please.
Yeah, now it is clear.
Okay. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, you are.
Okay. A very good afternoon. I am Kaushiki Bhomik from Group 3. This is the presentation prepared by Group 3. We have 9 members who were active. And just 1 second, ma'am. I'll just hide this.
No problem. Anyways, I can see only PPT. Other WebEx panels and all are not visible. No,
Okay,
they are
okay.
not shared.
Yes. This is Kaushiki Bhomik from Group 3. We had 9 members who were active. Those are Naga Vinay, who was our group leader, Samapti, me, that's Kaushiki Bhumik, Sayan Das, Chaitanya Dhulipudi, Shivam Kumar
I
Verma.
just need one help because some of you are not able to access Teams. I don't want you to miss these email IDs. Can you copy paste these email IDs in the chat once your presentation is done without forgetting? Okay, or you can do it right away also. That's also fine.
Okay, ma'am. We will do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So here we had 9 members who were active.
Okay.
Next, this is manual testing and automation testing that we were supposed to work on. We basically learned till now that manual testing is a process by which we can catch bugs and features that are issued before a software is delivered to the client. And the automation testing is the same thing. We need to find bugs and errors related to a particular software, but here we can do it by automating the complete program, which reduces the testing efforts, and also it is a much capability is much higher, and it's affordable as well. So here under manual testing, we have worked with hotel management system. Basically, hotel management system is a standalone application.
Can you share the Excel?
Sorry, ma'am.
Can you share the Excel? Can you show me the Excel?
I will. Once this presentation is over, one of my teammate is going to share the Excel, and here in the PPT as well, we have attached a screenshot. I am just moving to that really fast.
Here.
Here we have discussed about the steps related to the manual testing.
Okay.
And these are the preconditions which we had to maintain before starting manual testing. This is the whole scenario that we were given. Whatever test cases that we were asked to work on, we have attached them as well. This is the sample screenshot of the whole manual testing that we have worked on. The manual testing Excel sheet will be shown to you in just a few minutes by one of my teammates. This is the whole summary of the hotel management system that we have worked on. That was a dummy application on which we worked. And we have seen that most of our test cases have passed. Then we moved to the automation testing. With the help of automation testing, we have test cases which dealt with the OpenCard application, which is also a dummy application. It was an open source and easy to use platform. It was an e-commerce platform, to be very honest. And here our main aim of the project was to automate the test cases that we were given to work on. These are the steps of the automation testing.
Okay, good flow chart. Very good.
Yes, ma'am. These are the steps that we have given one by one. And these are the tools that we have used.
Very good. So you have integrated with TestNG framework.
Yes,
Very
ma'am. We
good.
have integrated the TestNG framework, right?
Very good. Next slides.
These are the steps that we have went under to execute the whole program, and we have also attached two of the sample screenshots of the application that we were working on, that was OpenCart.
Good. Yeah. Good.
This is the script. Here we have just included one script. The whole automation project will be delivered to you in a few minutes. And this is the summary. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Very good, Kaushiki. The presentation has different aspects that have been covered. Very good. So I just wanted to quickly look at the manual test cases and
The manual test case Excel sheet will be presented to you by Samapti, one of my group member. Samapti, over to you.
Sure, please share some of the. You
Hello,
can
ma'am.
unmute and speak. Yeah.
So, ma'am, I'm good morning, good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Samapti Rudra. So, I covered the all test cases which is given in the report, and I also write some dummy test cases also.
Okay.
So, these are the test cases I write.
Have you also written the defects, dummy defects?
Dummy defects, ma'am, not right. I tried to write with the negative test cases like with the invalid username with the invalid password and this.
Okay. So try to also add 5-6 dummy defects. Okay. Of different types, like, fatal, major, minor, different categories.
Okay, ma'am.
Sure. So we'll go to Selenium now.
Yes, ma'am. Selenium will be shown by our teammate Vinay.
Okay. Yes, Vinay, please share. You can unmute. Once you share your screen, you can unmute, Vinay.
Ma'am, is my screen visible?
Yes, visible. Right.
Yes, ma'am, we have created the test cases given in the Excel sheet.
Let me
So
zoom it. Okay.
we have created a base class and we have created the 8 test cases.
Okay. Can you show me the parameterization script? I
Yes,
think
ma'am.
this is the one, right? Right. Okay. So these are your TestNG tests that you have created, and you had your assertions created. Okay. So did you try to take any screenshots? Did you
Yes,
work
ma'am.
with
Yes, ma'am.
screenshots?
Yes, ma'am. These are all the screenshots which I have taken. I have written the code in the base class, ma'am.
Okay. Can you show the same? Very good. And did you try to generate reports?
Yes, ma'am. This is the report for the test case 1, ma'am.
Very good. Good to see that all the aspects are incorporated in your Selenium project. Very good. So team, I wanted all the remaining groups also to implement all the features, all the frameworks features like screenshots, parameterization, generating HTML reports, assertions. And assertions, I wanted to be little more team. So it is good that I see all these things. So I just wanted you all to work a little more on assertions.
Okay.
Okay? Sure. Very good.
Okay.
Very good. Group 3.
Ma'am,
Good
can
to
I
see.
stop
You
my
can start sharing. And group 3, I just wanted all the email IDs here in the chat. All the 9 members' email IDs. Wipro IDs, Samapti. All the 9 Wipro email IDs. And next, go with, so which group? 26. Okay, we'll go with 26 and then we'll go with group 7. Okay, so group 26, please start. 26, please share your screen. I know everybody wanted to do it, but let us go with one number. Let us not fight like kids. Okay, 26. And then it is 7, group 7. Please be ready. After group 26, it will be yours. Okay.
Ma'am, can you please unmute Muhammad Umar?
So this is Soumya, right? Soumya, I can see your screen. Who is speaking?
Ma'am, I'm Soumya. Ma'am, can you please unmute Muhammad Umar?
You are audible. You have to be little louder or just try to put the mic near to you. Mohammed. Okay, Mohammed, then you can share your screen and unmute. If you share your screen, you will be able to unmute yourself. Because here there are 300 plus members. I will have to find you. It is tough for me. Team, I want your Wipro IDs to be given in one message. Don't please split it. One of you collect the email IDs, group 3. One of you collect all the email IDs and give it in one message, no? So, group 26, what happened? Your screen sharing is lost. Soumya. Mohammed, share your screen. What you will speak without sharing? See, it cannot be that one will share screen and one will speak. No, don't do that. At least raise your hand, Mohammed. If you are not ready, we'll go with another group. So, Vinay, thanks for sharing the email IDs. Group 3, I got the email IDs. Great. We will present tomorrow. Is it so? Then group 7, please start. Group 7. Group 7, please start. Yes, I can see your screen. You can unmute and speak. Samapti, I think I got only 8 email IDs. And you said 9 members. Okay, I got 9. Sorry. I have 9. You can unmute and speak group 7.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, keep the mic near to you.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, you are audible. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. We have done the project based on automation testing and manual testing. In our group, there are 12 members, there are 11 members, and our group leader is CH Balasai. And coming to manual testing is a process of software
1
testing.
second. Sorry to interrupt. 11 members or 12 members?
11 members, ma'am. Sorry for that.
Okay, fine. Please proceed.
Manual testing is a process of software testing in which we execute the test cases manually without using any automation tool. All the test cases are by the tester manually. For example, we can go in a web browser, we can type the login name and as well as username. That is for manual testing. And the purpose of manual testing is to identify the bugs, defects, and issues will arise in the software application to make the application stable and bug-free and deliver a quality software product to the users. And while performing the manual testing, the test engineers test the software from the customer perspective to develop the appropriate test cases and give proper feedback to the developers. And coming to the methods of manual testing can be classified into 6 types. That is black box testing, white box testing, unit testing, system testing, and integration testing. And final one, acceptance testing.
Okay, so can you move the slides quickly? Let me see any of your slides quickly.
Okay, ma'am.
Advantages of
These are the
manual
advantages
testing.
and disadvantages. And this
Good.
is the scope of the project, that is portal management system.
Okay.
These are
Next.
the test cases we have written for a HMS application.
Okay. Next.
Explanation of test cases, ma'am. In this test case one.
Yeah, next. I understood all the preconditions, test data. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Now I will share Excel file.
Okay.
Is it visible, ma'am?
Yes, it is visible. I can zoom it, no problem. Yeah, how many test cases have you written?
I have written all the test cases, ma'am.
Okay, so did you try creating dummy defects?
Yes, ma'am. Do test case.
Can you show me?
It is visible. That is critical measures available.
Very good. Unable to find the guest error, application was updated, failed. Okay, very good. Good to see that you have written dummy defects. Good. So can you move on to Selenium?
Yes, ma'am. One of my friend Balasai will continue, ma'am.
Sure, yes. Balasai, you can share your screen. Yes, your screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, Balasaya is having some problems sharing the screen.
Okay. So can you show me the parameterization? Okay, I think that's the
Ma'am, the
screen
PPT.
is visible.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, as Shishmita has already told us about the manual testing, I'm over for the automation testing. It is a software testing technique that performs using special automated testing tools like including TestNG frameworks, and we have incorporated it using Selenium in Eclipse IDE. TestNG refers to the next generation, which signifies the new functionalities, and it is an incorporation of JUnit and NUnit. We have some annotations in TestNG framework, that is before suit, before test, before class. These methods will be executed in their cases of priority. After class, after method, after groups. We are using locators such as ID, name, class name, tag name, link text, CSS selector, XPath, wherein we can locate a particular element and go for the automation. This is one of the screenshot of the test cases. And this is the screenshot
Okay.
of the first test case. This is the emailable report.
Okay, next slide. Just quickly go to the next slides. Good.
Yes,
Next.
this is the next slide. This coming to the conclusion part. As we know that in testing, manual testing also
Reporting.
plays a vital role. In HMS, we have seen that. And for automation testing, I'll be sharing my screen for the... Ma'am,
Very good.
test case, wherein I have incorporated TestNG. This is the parameterization part, wherein we can take in some inputs from a file and incorporate it. I have also used the flat file, that is writing values to the flat file. Flat file, I have used it as .txt. That is the notepad. Over here, I have incorporated the flat file writing.
Okay.
This is the flat file.
Okay.
That is the
That means
unit price of
only if
Samsung.
you have implemented screenshots, taking screenshots.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you tried generating the HTML reports using TestNG?
Ma'am, this is the screenshot. And
Okay.
this is the
Can
email.
you show me the HTML reports?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this is the HTML report of one of the test cases.
Okay. Very good. Copy paste your group members' email IDs in the chat who all have contributed. Okay.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. So this is group 7, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next, group 23, yes, you can share your screen.
Ma'am, is my screen visible?
Yes, yes. Yes, yes, screen is visible, yes. This is group 23, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yeah.
Good afternoon, ma'am. We are group 23
Okay.
and we have a count of 13 members who are active participating in this project now.
Group 23, 13 members.
13, ma'am.
13, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And
Okay.
these are the details of them.
Okay, yeah, proceed.
Yes, ma'am. These are the contents. And coming to this project, we are doing both manual testing and automation testing. And as we know, manual
Your voice, yeah, you're audible now. Yeah, proceed.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. As we all know, manual testing is a software testing process which is done manually without using any automated tool. And in this, all test cases are tested manually by the testers based on the end user's perspective. And coming to automation testing, here we automate the tests using any software tools, and we try to automate the scripts. And this will be better building quality with less efforts, and they are really reliable. And coming to next, for manual testing, we have done on hotel management system application, and for automation testing on the OpenCart application using Selenium tool.
Okay, can you quickly show me the slides one by one?
Yes, ma'am. And coming to here, this is our project objective to create the manual test report based on the given requirement specification document. And this is the introduction about the HMS application. And these are the functional requirements which we worked on to create the manual test based on this document given. And this is the flowchart how we followed the steps and done the manual testing. And this is the sample test case scenario for access control. And the whole manual testing report will be shared by my another teammate at the end, ma'am.
Okay, sure. Let me look at the test cases, manual test cases.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Can you share the Excel with manual test cases?
Yes, ma'am. My teammate she will share, ma'am.
Sure. Yes.
Can we do it at the end, ma'am? Should we share now?
Yeah, share it now. I think
He's
it's
sharing.
yeah, Anand, yes. Yes, Anand. So all the test cases, all the requirements are considered for the writing test cases.
Yeah, ma'am. Everything are considered, ma'am.
Did you write any manual? Defects? Any dummy defects?
Yeah, ma'am. I wrote for 6 test cases, ma'am.
Can you show me the defect description?
Yeah, these are the defects, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, good. So now can we jump to Selenium scripts?
Yeah, Selenium will be shared by my friend, ma'am.
Yes. And group 7, you said 11 members, but I got only 9 email IDs. Group 7.
Ma'am, is my screen visible?
Yes,
Yeah, yes.
Ma'am, we have created 8 test cases for the OpenCart application.
Okay. So here you have implemented parameterization. Very good. Show me screenshot. Okay, I think it's just below screenshots. Script. Okay. Any assertions that you have implemented?
Yes, ma'am.
Assertions. You're fetching the title. Okay. So I want, as I said for the previous batch, I want you also to implement few more assertions here. Okay. So, okay. So can you show me any of the reports? HTML reports?
Ma'am, these are the HTML. Ma'am, is it visible?
Yes,
No,
it's visible.
Ma'am, is the report visible?
You're trying to show from the console, right? Can you see I think you didn't share your Chrome browser.
Share the Chrome browser. We are not able to see the report.
Ma'am, is it visible, ma'am?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
The browser is visible. Yeah, reports are visible. Okay. Fine. So, how many members in group 23? 13 members, right?
Ma'am, a small doubt, ma'am. Some
Yes.
of our batchmates, they want to like do the project, but they are having exams and cannot do with us.
See,
So,
you the
so
names
we
of
cannot
those.
include their names, ma'am, because exams are going on now for them.
See, whoever have contributed towards this group presentation, give their names, give their
Yes,
email
ma'am, I
IDs.
have the list, ma'am. About the rest of the members, can they make a group and present later?
Yeah, let them make another group and they can present it next week.
Yeah, I'll inform them. Thank you, ma'am.
Sure, yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you can share the link in the group, no, ma'am, for the account unblocking.
Yes.
Actually, when earlier I tried with that both of the links I have. When we are trying to enter the Wipro mail ID and captcha, it is saying there also your account is blocked. Contact your admin.
Then you write an email to the internship email ID that your accounts are blocked.
Sure, ma'am.
Right.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right. So group 7, did you share the remaining email IDs? Group 7. See why all others are sharing. I wanted. Okay, Balasai has shared. Let me see. Balasai, you have included your email ID, right? Because I got only group 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. So group 7, is it 11 members or not? Firstly, total members are whether 11 or not. You have been sharing these 9 continuously. But in the presentation, you have told me 11 members. Here you're sharing only 9 email IDs. Group 7, you have shared Balasai, but I see. Okay, 9 out of 11 are active. Okay, that should have been. Now it's clear. 9 out of 11. All right. So the one which have just finished, group 23, please share your email IDs here in the chat. Group 23. Group 23, please share the email ID list. Okay, so there are 13 members. Okay. Okay, so group 14, are you ready? Group 14. Okay, so we'll go with group 14 now, and then I think after group 3, 7, 23, I think I have told for 26 and 15. So 26, please start. And then group 15 and then group 14. Okay, I'm having the sequence with me. 3, 7, 23 are done. Now 26 will share their screen, and then 15 and then 14. Okay. So I'm waiting for group 26 to share their screen. Vaishali, that's fine. Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah. So
I am
group
Pratyusha, ma'am, from group 26.
Okay. Yes, Pratyusha.
And here I am to present my internship project along with my group.
Yes.
And these are the group members, ma'am. And Soumya is our group leader.
Okay. So how many members totally?
Totally, we have 12 members, ma'am.
Okay. How many are active out of 12? Or active members are 12?
All members are active, ma'am.
But here I see more than 12 here.
One second, ma'am. Actually,
I see 15.
12 of them are active, ma'am.
Okay. 12 of them are active out of 15. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
When you are sharing the email IDs, you share only those 12 email IDs. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Yeah.
Shall I continue, ma'am?
Sure. Pratyusha. Yeah.
And coming to the projects, we done both the projects, ma'am. Manual testing and automation testing also, ma'am.
Okay.
And in manual test, we did the test cases for hotel management system, web application, and another is for automation testing Selenium WebDriver for OpenCart application, ma'am.
Okay.
And this hotel management system application is about providing an end-to-end solution for the management of the hotel services for the customer.
Yeah. Can you take, just go through the slides quickly? Can you show me what all you have included quickly? Functional requirements next.
About the steps, ma'am, access control and.
Okay. Next.
And next about the employee information and such an employee, yes, those are changing possible.
Okay.
And coming to the second project about automation testing using Selenium WebDriver in OpenCart, we first install the OpenCart application, ma'am.
Okay. Good. You have included this slide. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good. Next.
And in next slide, we included about the tools, ma'am, which we have
Yes.
used in the testing the application.
Good. You didn't mention test ng here.
We'll mention further, ma'am.
Okay. Next.
And we did 5 test cases, ma'am.
Okay.
Sorry, ma'am, it's not 5. It's around 8. And this is the first test case, how we did the test, ma'am. And these are the steps involved, ma'am.
Okay.
And this is about test case 2, ma'am.
Okay, so this you can just go to the next slide. This we can skip.
Okay, ma'am.
Any other important slides that you have created?
I mean, the codes will be presented by another teammate, ma'am.
Sure, yes.
Thank you, ma'am. And Banu will continue it, ma'am.
Sure.
Thank you, ma'am.
Banu, yes, your screen is visible. I'll zoom my screen. Okay. So, first, have you worked on, all the 8 test scripts? Can you show me whether all the 8 test scripts are there?
No, ma'am. Actually, we have divided the work individually. So I have only completed one test case from my side. Other test cases are with Soumya, but she is unavailable, ma'am. Right now, she's traveling somewhere.
See, it is not that you will divide and do only those test cases. Each and every group member has to work on all the manual project and also the automation project. Okay, first thing. Only
Yes.
for presenting, you can choose one person to present it. It doesn't mean that 3 members, 8 are there. Each one of you will work towards only one. No, and remaining you will leave it. No.
No, ma'am. Everyone has already done their part. The files are with Soumya.
Okay, but why not with you? Have you done all the 8 test cases or not?
Yes, ma'am. 8 test cases are done. I only have one test case, which is given to me.
No, but have you done individually? Have you
Yes,
worked
ma'am.
on
We have
this?
done it. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We
Show
have
me
done
those.
individually.
Then show me all those 8 which you have done.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Pratyusha is back. Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, we did all the 8 test cases, ma'am. Actually, we divided the work, but we explained each other about the test cases, ma'am, which we did individually.
Yes, you can always discuss, explain each other, but end of the day, each and every person has to finish all the 8 test cases. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. We individually checked by running it. We did all the process, ma'am. But we kept the zip file separately, ma'am, because each one can have the proper idea. Segregation of the work will be better, we thought, ma'am.
Okay, that is okay. For presentation purpose, you might have kept it in a zip file. That is okay. Now, my question is, if you have done individually all the 8, it could be after discussing, after having, group discussions and all, helping each other. You, at end of the day, you have finished all 8 or not?
We finished
Yes,
it,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Show those 8. You cannot say that I have only 1 and remaining 7 are with all the remaining 7. No, that's not accepted.
Okay, ma'am. Banu will share the first test case, ma'am. We'll further continue, ma'am. One by one, we'll share it, ma'am.
Okay, you share it now, but I want everybody to work on all the 8 test cases. You cannot just simply share the file with all the remaining. No, that's not accepted. On everybody's machine, all the 8 test cases have to be there.
Okay, ma'am.
Getting?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this will not help
Yes, ma'am.
you anything. See, for PPT, I said one PPT is enough for a group. That doesn't mean, you will share test cases also and only you will work on only one test case and remaining you leave it. So you're not into 100% completion of internship projects. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So team, this is for all the remaining groups also. It's not that you can divide the group. Okay. You can divide the work into your group members and you can do it. But end of the day, you are also supposed to finish each and every test case. Okay. So group 26.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
is not accepted. I want all 8 test cases to be seen in, one place. I'm keeping. So will you be able to show all 8 on one screen or you want you to postpone this to tomorrow?
Ma'am, after completion of group 14, we'll show it, ma'am. Our team leader will reach home by then, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
So group 26 half done. Selenium yet to show. Next, group 15, please share. Group 15.
Yes, ma'am. Visible?
Yes. Yes, visible. So, how many members in group 15?
Totally 12 members, ma'am, but one person is inactive.
So, 11 out of 12 are active, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Group 15. Okay. Yeah. Quickly go through the slides.
Yeah. Good evening, ma'am. I am myself Damodar from Group 15. These are my teammates, ma'am. Around 12 members. One person is inactive. That person is Vivek Patel.
Okay. You can share these email IDs once your screen sharing is stopped. Okay.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Right. Oh, next slide.
Yeah. This is manual test case writing for water management system application.
Okay. Next.
And then this is the functional requirements. Right.
Right. These are the requirements. Next.
This is the explanations for that requirements.
Right.
Then
Next.
this is a screenshot for manual test case writing.
Right. Next.
That is automation testing part.
Okay. Next.
This is the tools required and installation process.
You have installed and you have done it. Okay. Just
And then
NG.
these are test cases, one steps involved. And
Okay.
then
Next.
these are test cases to test cases 8 is there, ma'am.
Okay. Next.
And that's all, ma'am. Can I present my manual test cases? Ma'am?
Yes. Yes. Sure.
These are only positive test cases, ma'am. After that presentation, I will add dummy test cases, ma'am.
But I can see only PPT here.
PPT. Now visible, ma'am.
Group 15, Sugata. Okay. Damodaran, you're also from group 15 only, right?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yeah, I can see the test cases. Scroll down. How many test cases in total are written?
21, ma'am.
21 test cases. Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
as you said, include dummy defects.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Of
Yeah,
different types.
automation. Yeah, ma'am. My automation part is displayed by Sugata, ma'am.
Okay, you can stop sharing. Sugata, please share your screen and you can then unmute.
Ma'am, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen. Right.
So, ma'am, I have done the test suite. I have included all the test cases in test suite and run all of them. Okay. And this is the first test case.
In test cases. So have you implemented parameterization here, right? Can you show me any assertions that you have written?
Just wait a minute. This is one of them.
Okay, try to add few more assertions, okay?
No, few are also there. Just have to find some. One is there.
Okay. Elements are
Here also.
sure. So here, what is that you're trying to compare? Equals.
Ma'am, the prices are sorted from high to lower. No? If the prices were sorted, then the loop will go on, and the I will be double raised to n minus 1.
Okay. Okay, can you show me the script for taking screenshots?
Yeah. Implemented that. Yeah, normally. Just wait a minute. I'm here.
Okay. So can you show me any of the HTML reports that were generated?
And this one is for the test suite.
Okay, very good. Right. Very good. Can you run any one of the test script?
Yeah, ma'am.
The execution.
I'm running the 3 only.
So group 15, meanwhile, please share the email IDs in the chat. 11 email IDs.
And we used alert model except to switch to alert model to solve that error. And well, actually what happened was that we cannot take screenshot of the alert model na, so that also I have tried to use using Roboto, but it didn't I didn't have used that much of Roboto, so I didn't know well. Okay, so I didn't. Ma'am, we have an error in the alert model. You have seen there was an alert model. There was an alert coming. That was an error. So we cannot take screenshot of the alert model. So I tried to using Roboto, but that it didn't gone well. I didn't understand well about the Roboto. So
You are manually responding to the alert.
yeah, and I have taken the screenshots here. This one. So these are the data that were generated while running the test cases, and this is the screenshots.
Okay, yeah. Thanks, Sugata. You can stop sharing. And next, group 14.
Ma'am, is my screen visible, ma'am?
Yeah, your screen is visible. Yes. Karthik.
Yes, ma'am. So, good evening, everyone. So, I am Karthikeyan. I am represent the batch group 14. So, these are my team members. So, mostly everyone was active and they were contributing to each and every test cases. So, we are doing two projects. One is based on manual testing, another is based on the automation testing. For manual testing, we are considering a standalone application called hotel management system. We are going to write the manual test cases based on the requirement document which has been provided to us. And automation testing, we are using OpenCart application. We'll be writing the test cases using Selenium WebDriver.
Sorry, I missed it. Group 14. How many members are active in your group?
14 members, ma'am.
Out of?
14, ma'am. Everyone was actually active, ma'am.
14 out of 14. Okay, yeah. So can you quickly move through the slides?
Yes, ma'am. So this is the objective.
Just look at the slides quickly.
Yes, ma'am. So this is a hotel management system. It is a standalone application. Then shall I share my Excel sheet, ma'am?
Yes, you can share.
So this is the test case, manual test case rating which we have done. We have written for all the test cases and we have generated some dummy defects.
It is loading slowly probably because I don't see Excel.
Is it visible, ma'am?
Not yet. Okay, now yes, I can see the Excel. So How many test cases you have written?
Yes, ma'am. For all the requirements, we have written the test cases, ma'am. So we
Have you
have,
written manual, dummy defects?
yes, ma'am. We have raised some dummy defects and we have categorized it as 4 types of defects, ma'am.
Very good. Can you show me?
I am already sharing it, ma'am. Is it visible, ma'am? The defect
Okay,
sheet?
maybe the screen is delayed. I'll wait. Yeah, okay, I can see. Very good.
Yes,
Good to
ma'am.
see that you have written good number of dummy defects.
Yes,
Good.
ma'am. So
So
I'll
can you jump to Selenium?
what, ma'am?
You
Hello?
can show me your Eclipse Selenium code.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Is it visible, ma'am?
No, not yet. Okay, now Selenium is visible, so all the 8 test cases are
Yes,
there.
ma'am. So we have a
Okay,
framework
so
where we are having a base class in this package. So in the base class, we are having 2 annotations before class and after class, and this part is a method for calling the screenshot in various test cases. So we have 8 test cases and we have implemented the parameterization, ma'am. These are the Excel files which are used for parameterization. I'll show the script, ma'am. Ma'am, is it visible, ma'am?
I can see the script.
Yes, ma'am. So,
Can you show me the screenshot script?
yes, ma'am. This one, ma'am. We have implemented the screenshot script in the base class itself, ma'am, and we are calling that in each and every test case, ma'am.
There is that. I see assertion. A screenshot. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. So,
Can you show me any of the HTML reports that you have generated?
yes, ma'am. So, 1 second, ma'am. Is it visible, ma'am?
Yeah, visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Thanks, Karthik. I
And
think your screen is delaying. That's fine. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. We created actually the test ng suite, ma'am. So we ran all the test cases into a single suite, and the report of that screenshot we attached in the
Okay.
PPT, ma'am. Last slide of the PPT.
So
ma'am.
with the help of XML file.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Good.
And we attached some screenshots also, ma'am, which we took using this test cases.
Okay, you have incorporated in the PPT. Final
Yes, ma'am.
report. Good. Very good. Good to see this, Karthik. Very good. So you can stop sharing. So this is group 14. I just wanted all the email IDs, 14 email IDs
Okay, ma'am.
in the chat. Yeah. Next, okay, group 9, yes, you can share, and then it will be group 32. Group 9 first, and then 32.
Good afternoon, ma'am. This is Shyam from Group 9. Hello.
Good afternoon, Shyam.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Shyam. I'm audible. Yeah.
Oh, thank you, ma'am. These are our group members,
Group
ma'am.
9.
14 members. And Akash is our team lead.
Okay.
All group members are actively participated in the project.
Okay,
So,
all 14.
yes, all 14, ma'am.
Very good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Proceed.
So introduction software testing method. It is whether the actual software product is matches expected results or requirements. So in this software testing, there are two types: manual testing and automation testing. Ma'am. Manual testing process is in which test cases are written manually in Excel sheets. In automation testing, the perform test using special automated testing software tools like Selenium. So in our project, we use manual testing and automation testing. In manual testing, we write that hotel management system applications in Excel sheets. And in automation testing, we done with open carding system. So manual testing. Manual testing is identified to bugs, issues, and defects of the software application and turn into defect free. Types of manual testing: black box testing, white box testing, unit testing, system testing, integration testing, and finally acceptance testing.
So can you move to your manual test cases quickly?
Yes, ma'am. Chetan will provide that screen share, ma'am, at last.
Sure. Yes.
Okay. Black box testing, ma'am. Black box testing is done by test engineer.
These slides you can quickly show me so that I'll understand what all you have added in the PPT. Black box testing.
It's manual testing flowchart, ma'am.
Very good.
Advantages of manual testing, ma'am. And disadvantages of manual testing.
No, I think screen sharing. Okay, it is slow, little slow. Okay, advantages. Good. Next.
Disadvantages.
Disadvantages. Very good.
Test cases, ma'am. We read the test cases we use. Is my screen visible, ma'am?
Yes, test cases. Next.
This is Excel sheet screenshot, ma'am. We added in this PPT. Okay. Sample screenshot. And automation testing, ma'am.
Your screen sharing is little slow. Okay, now I see the Excel. Have you written any dummy defects?
Yes, ma'am. Chetan will show the dummy defects and Excel sheet, ma'am. He's ready with that. So automation testing. And why automation testing? It's fast, reliable, and reusable, etc. And manual pros and cons of manual testing and automation testing. What is test NG? And here NG refers to next generation, inspired by J unit. Advantage of test NG over J unit.
Okay.
And test NG annotations like before method, after method, class, etc. And how test NG works.
Okay. Good to see the screenshots.
Yes, ma'am. And the reports we done. Final HTML reports. Yeah.
Very good.
Ma'am, Chetan will continue that Excel sheet, ma'am. Chetan, please continue.
Yeah, thanks, Shyam. So, team, those who have finished their presentation today, please try to upload each one of your team members' projects. I will create the folders. Okay, by end of the day, I'll create the folders in groups. Okay, so ensure you upload your projects, both the projects as we have discussed last week, the same way with your folder names appropriately with your name, superset ID and all those things clearly. You can upload. Okay, so if it is blocked, that's fine. If you are able to, you upload it. Okay, that's the reason I am taking the email IDs in the session itself. So once it is unblocked, you try to upload it. Okay, and those who have already finished, you also please join the call once and see if you might get any updates. Okay. But you need not stay for the complete duration. You can just join and, if there are any updates, you can make a note and leave the call. So I think for now, the batches which all are done, 3, 7, 23, 15, you all are done, right? You can actually leave the call for today. That is fine. And 14 as well is done. So you can leave the call for today.
Ma'am, is the screen visible? Hello?
Right, you can continue. Group 9, yeah. Chetan.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, these are the test cases written for a hotel management system. Total, we have written.
Can you show any dummy defects if you have written?
Yes, ma'am. We raised some dummy defects. So these are the dummy defects. Ma'am, screen is visible.
Screen is visible, but I don't see the defects. I see only test cases.
Ma'am, these are the defects. Ma'am.
Okay, here you are. Okay, defect IDs. Yes, yeah. Okay, very good. Yeah, can you show me the Selenium scripts?
Yes, ma'am. Automation part will explained by Akash, ma'am. Akash.
Akash, yes, please share. So meanwhile, you can also paste the email IDs, group 9, all the 14 email IDs, give it in the chat meanwhile. I have already told you, Pramit, all those who have finished also just join once and see if there are any updates in the beginning of the call. You can make a note of that updates and you can leave, okay? For those who have already finished their presentation. Yes, Akash, your screen is visible.
Okay, ma'am. Did you see all the thing, na? Hello?
Yes, I can see a Selenium Eclipse, yeah.
Ma'am, this is the framework we done. We create a 5 package. In com.base, we create a base package. In com.excel file, we create we put the data sheet. And in com.screenshot, we put all the screenshots. And in com.test utility, we do the utilities. And this is the test cases. Com.test cases.
Very good, very good.
This is the framework we do. And I will show you the first test cases. Okay, this is the first test case. In that, we use data provider to fetch the data. This is the data provider.
Very good. You have used the data provider.
Yes,
right.
data provider. Add the data provider. And we also use add the parameter for the test 2, test 3, test 4, test 3, and all others. Test cases, we use the add the data parameter. Okay, I will show you that thing also. We also generated the .xml file. XML file. Did you see that, ma'am? The parameter name, email ID, value, parameter name, password value. Did you see that, ma'am? Hello, ma'am? Hello?
Where is it?
.xml file. Did you see this? I create the
XML
file.
file. Yes,
Yes,
visible.
I create
Yes. So
and in this, I also use add the parameter. Yes, this is the test 2. In this, I use assertion, and I also use add the parameter. Did you see this, ma'am? Add the parameter.
Yes, I saw.
For login. Yes. This is for login, and here are the assertion.
That is for. Okay. I just saw it in the XML, the parameters.
Yes.
Okay, so at the parameter in data provider. Okay, at the parameters, annotations, very good to see that you have implemented this.
Yes. This is the test report. Did you see this?
Not yet.
I think the problem is from your server, ma'am. .xml file. Did you see this, ma'am?
Yes, XML file is visible.
Okay. I will show you the test output. Okay, this is the index.html file. This is the test report.
Yes.
Here I run the .xml file and I got all the test cases, 8 test cases.
Very good.
I also show the
This is a beautiful report. Very good.
This is the email report. Okay.
Very good.
this is the first test case na. Is get fetch data from data at the rate data provider, and second test case is I use at the rate parameter.
Okay.
I do both the thing in one code. Okay.
Very good.
This is the thing.
Good. So have you implemented assertions,
Yes.
validations? Can you show me that code? Can you hear Akash team? Team, can you hear Akash? I don't know if it's from my end. I cannot hear.
I am audible, ma'am. Hello,
Okay,
ma'am.
now you are audible. Yeah, now you are audible. Tell me.
I think there is a network issues, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, fine. No problem.
This is the assert dot assert true, and here I do the validation.
Very good. So yeah, this is the kind of validations I wanted. Verifying whether the username is displayed.
Yes.
Okay, very good.
And
Yeah.
once the
Good.
validation is complete, we got successfully pass.
Very good. Yeah.
I also do screenshot. Can I show you the utility?
Yes, please. Yeah.
I put the all the code in this base file. Did you see that? And this is the base file.
Yeah. Screenshot class. Yeah.
I just give the path, then it takes screenshot.
Okay.
I will
Right.
show you here. Just a minute. It is path here. Ma'am, path is equal to screenshot 1 registration page. Then it gets screenshots.
Okay.
Okay, did you get it, ma'am?
Good. Very good, Akash. Thanks.
Yes, ma'am.
You
Thank
can
you so
stop sharing. Very good. So this is group 9.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. So yeah, group 32. Please share. Group 32 can start. Next it will be group 21. After group 32 it will be group 21. Okay, 32 and then group 21, you also please be ready. Yeah, I can see your screen. This is group 32. Yeah, you can unmute and speak Kaveri, right? Kaveri, you can unmute. Group 32. Kaveri, you can unmute from your end. You'll get the option to unmute. Hello. Are you able to unmute?
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yeah, now you're audible. So how many groups?
Ma'am, this is group 32 and my name is Kaveri. In my group, we have 18 members allotted, but 17 members are active in my group. And we are doing 2 projects. One is manual testing.
I'm sorry, I just got network disruption. 17 members are active out of
18, ma'am.
Group 32, right?
Yes, ma'am. one member here, they didn't contact with us, ma'am. So we don't know about
Oh,
them.
fine. Sure. Yeah. Can you quickly go through the slides?
Yes,
Whatever.
ma'am. Project title, we have two: manual testing and automation testing. And in manual testing, the introduction is about the manual testing and how the manual testing is taking the process of manual testing. And in manual testing, we are using hotel management and automation introduction and process about automation.
Okay. Show me that slide. Next slide. Very good. Good. You have incorporated the steps.
This is
Beautiful.
manual testing, ma'am, about the introduction of manual testing.
Next. Yeah.
And
Good. Next.
manual testing process, ma'am. The steps which we take in manual testing.
Very good. Next.
And in manual testing, we used a hotel management system.
Yeah.
So in hotel management system, we accessed all the control, check in and check out, edit guest information, new employee, edit employee information, search employee and guest touch. We can change the password and we log out, ma'am. So these are all about those steps. And coming to the this is an introduction of automation. What is like automation is a tool that which can automatically step the process. And this is a
Go
process.
to the next slide.
Okay,
I
ma'am. This
look
is
at
a
the
process.
slides. If you have incorporated anything different, I just wanted to make a note. Planning, okay, automation, just like manual testing, you have added automation process. And
Yes,
this is
ma'am.
very good. You have added beautiful screenshots for what all you have implemented. Very good. Next.
Sorry, ma'am. It's struggled.
Got stuck.
Yeah. These are the tools we used in automation testing. And in automation testing, we used OpenCart Web. And the process we done in the OpenCart, how to install and how to run the OpenCart. And these are the OpenCart applications we used: Eclipse IDE, Selenium, and XAMPP, and Chrome web drivers.
You
And
didn't
here,
test NG.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah.
And
Next.
here are the 8 test cases we are running using OpenCart. And this is a summary of the OpenCart, how to write the test cases and that all. This is, ma'am. Thank
Right.
you, ma'am.
Okay. So yeah, you can move over to your test.
Ashmita, ma'am.
Yeah, sure. You can stop sharing. So Ashmita, you can start sharing your screen. And meanwhile, you can paste your group email IDs in the chat.
Okay, ma'am.
So this is group 32, right? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
My screen is visible or not, ma'am?
Yes, Ashmita. Yes, it's visible.
These are the all test cases we done for the Excel sheet for automation for manual testing. These are 18 test cases.
Can you show me the dummy defects?
And these are the dummy defects I have created.
Okay, create 3 more. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Good. Can you go to Selenium part?
Yeah. Okay.
The screen is not visible.
Is it visible, ma'am?
Yes. Now it's visible. Yeah.
Here we done the parameterization part, ma'am.
Okay.
Short is created by this method, ma'am. And in the screenshot folder, we created the screenshots. And the report is generated in HTML format.
Your screen sharing is lost again.
This is report, ma'am. Is it visible, ma'am?
Yeah, your report is visible. So can you show me the screenshot code?
Okay, ma'am. This is screenshot code, ma'am.
Okay. Can you show me assertions? I see assert true, assert false. Okay. Okay. Good. Thanks for sharing, Ashmita. You can stop sharing. Right.
Okay.
So next, group 21. 21, 19, and then 34. Okay. So 21, are you ready? After 21, it is 19 and then 34. Yes. So Kavita, I can see your screen. So how many group members here? Totally? You can speak. I think you have already unmuted. But you are not audible, Kavita. I don't know about others. You are already unmuted. You are not on mute, Kavita. Check your audio connection. You're presenting on laptop and you're on a different, speaking from a different one. Kavita. Okay. See, I have sent you request to unmute. Kavita A, right? See if you can unmute. Kavita R. I see Kavita A only. I don't see Kavita R. Kavita R. Kavita A is there. Kavita R, you are joined on laptop. For that, there is no audio. So, Kavita A is what I see. She has raised hand, but there is no audio connected. Harsh, yes, I have copied Harsh. Thanks. Kavita R. But I cannot see Kavita. Kavita R. Kavita R, I see who is presenting and nobody I can see with raising hands. I can see Pratyusha has raised. Maybe I'll lower her hand. Okay, Kavita R. Okay. Now I saw it. Yeah, I've sent you the request, Kavita. Can you check it?
Ma'am, am I audible now?
Yeah, you're audible now. Yes. So,
Good
group
afternoon.
21. Yeah, very good afternoon. So, how many members and how many are active?
Yes, ma'am. We are a group of 21 members. Here, 19 members are actively presenting in all works, ma'am.
Yeah, 19 out of 21. Yes, you can quickly go through the slides
Yes, ma'am.
and jump to.
Okay, ma'am. We took two projects, that is one is manual testing and another one is automation testing. In manual testing, we are doing the hotel management system application, automation testing of OpenCart web application under automation testing, ma'am. We are using some softwares and tools for our project, that is Selenium, Java, test engine for Chrome driver, OpenCart application, and Java application. And I will see what is manual testing and automation testing in the concise manner. Manual testing is a manual
That's
testing is the
okay.
process
You
of.
can just quickly move the slides.
Okay,
Next.
this is the concise manner of manual testing and automation testing, and then this is the precise manner of what is manual testing, and we have included one slide which is manual test phases. That is a requirement analysis, test creation, test case design, implementation and execution, exit criteria and reporting, test and type of manual testing. And here the explanation of all three type of manual testing. And we have included a screenshot of what is manual testing and how we are doing that. And this is the automation steps and phases of automation testing. And this is the screenshot of a Selenium code for automation testing. And this is what automation testing and the manual testing project now. Now I'll show you the Excel for manual testing.
Yeah.
Yes. This is the manual testing Excel. We have included features, functional IDs, and prerequisition preconditions.
Okay, now it's visible. Yeah.
Yeah.
Have you written dummy defects?
Yes, ma'am. Before submitting it, we will complete the dummy defects. Actually, we created a failed dummy defect also, ma'am. Separately, we did, right? While submitting that, before that, we'll complete it, ma'am.
No, right now you have created.
No, ma'am.
You are yet to create. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So have implemented written test cases for all the requirements given?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Can you move? Okay, we will move to Selenium.
Okay, ma'am. Now the Selenium part will be delivered by team leader Bikasha, ma'am.
Okay, Bikasha.
Am I audible?
You're audible. Keep your mic near to you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah.
In all the test cases, ma'am, all the 8 test cases, and you
Okay.
can see this is test case 1. I've implemented this parameterization. You can see.
Very good.
Then
Can you show me assertions?
assertions.
Good to see that you have added comments. Very good.
Assertion is yeah, I've done here, ma'am.
Validations. Very good. Good. Have you implemented screenshots?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Can you show me the screenshot code? Very good. Can you show me the TestNG HTML reports?
ma'am, report I have not implemented till now, but I will implement before submitting.
Sure. Thanks,
Can you
because
show
you can
that?
stop sharing.
Can I show run and show it to you, ma'am?
That's fine. Try to add the reports as well. Okay.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
update me. Sure. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. So I want the email IDs, 19 email IDs of group 21. Samapti, no problem. Your group members can upload. No problem. Team, when I said you can upload your activities, see if you are able to log into Teams, you can do it. Else, we will wait. Not a problem. Okay. So Kavita has shared all the email IDs. Okay. So group 19, please start. Group 19 can start. Kavita, you have shared me only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 email IDs are shared by you, Kavita. Out of 19. You said 19, but I could see only 11 email IDs here till Snehal. Bikash, Vinila, Muskan, Akanksha, Piyush, Rakesh, Pujita, Swarna, Akash, Dishwar, Venkata, Nagasai, Mani, Snehal, Santosh. I have received only till Snehal. Yeah, I will wait. Fine.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Because, yeah, 2 members not active, fine. So you can share all the 19. So for now, I got till Snehal 11. So 8 more email IDs to share. Yes, sorry to make you wait. So group 19, Gautami, right? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Good
yes.
afternoon, ma'am.
Hey, good afternoon. So how many members are active?
Madam, in our group, there are 22 members, but only 18 are active present.
18 are active out of 22.
22.
Okay, yes.
Vishal is our group leader.
Okay.
And we have projects. We did the 2 projects. One is manual testing and another one is automation testing. Manual testing is about hotel management application and automation testing is about OpenCart. The manual testing is a type of software testing in which test cases are executed manually without using any automated tools. The purpose of manual testing is to identify the bugs, issues, and defects in the software application. The functional requirements is for the HMS application, ma'am. These are the cases we did in the Excel sheet. And the automation testing is for OpenCart. Selenium is a automated testing framework used to validate web applications across different browsers and platforms. The Selenium is used for different programming languages like Java, Python, etc. And this is the OpenCart installation process. These are the tools used for the OpenCart applications. And these are the steps involved in various test cases.
Okay. Yeah. Can you go to Selenium?
The Excel sheet and the Selenium is explained by our group leader, ma'am, Vishal.
Okay, sure. Yes, Vishal, you can share your screen.
Hello.
Yes, Vishal.
And this is the manual
Okay.
sheet for the positive test cases.
Okay.
We have differentiated the step-by-step process in this way, checking the boxes.
Okay.
And these are the defects of the test cases which are manually identified in the test cases. And coming to the Selenium part,
Defects I don't
implemented
see
this.
where. Can you show me the defects once again? I think. Okay, is the below what you are showing is the defect because I have zoomed a lot, but I cannot see. Can you zoom at your end
This is
also?
the defect.
Please. It's where towards very. I think it is zoom out for around 30%. Can you bring it to 100%, 100 or 70%?
Ma'am, it's already 120.
Okay, wait. I have also zoomed it. I'll reduce it. No, reduce it now. Reduce it. Okay, okay. So I see defect summary. Okay, fine. Yeah. Good, good. Yeah. Now you can move to Eclipse and show me Selenium scripts.
And these are the test cases we are done. Actually, we have completed the full test cases. This is the output of the test case.
Okay, now it is visible.
We have manually created that. We have the sentence formations. How many test cases are passed, we can see in the console now. And
Okay.
we also taken a screenshot part.
Okay, show me that screenshot code.
This is the screenshot part.
File source sketch screenshot. Okay.
This is the screenshot part.
Have you generated HTML reports?
Yeah, ma'am. This is a report for the first test case we have generated. A step-by-step process for the execution of the first test case.
Okay, very good. Good, Vishal. So have you added assertions? Validation?
Yeah.
Can you show me that? Yes, team, others who are already done, they can leave for the day. So remaining groups who wanted to present, I think 34 is there. 34 can wait. And remaining can leave. Or if any other groups, 22 is ready to share today. 34, 22 is ready to share today. So, okay, so 34 and 22 groups can stay, remaining can leave the call. Thanks, team. Yeah. So, yes, yours is assertions. So, can you show
Which
me
is
the assertion?
implemented in the console.
Can you show me the assertion code?
We have implemented in this format, which enter in console. Here
No,
we can see that.
where? No, I don't wanted to understand the code for assertions.
No, ma'am, we have not implemented that. We will implement.
Okay, try to add that as well, Vishal. Okay, very good.
Okay.
Otherwise, all good. Good, Vishal. Yeah. So this is group
19, ma'am.
Group 19. Yeah, share all the email IDs of group 19 here. Okay.
Yeah, here is ma'am. Gautami has shared.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thanks, Vishal. You can. I think you have already stopped sharing. Yeah. Thanks, Gautami. Yes. Next, it is group 34. You can start. Group 34 can start.
Hello, ma'am. Is my screen visible?
Yeah, yes, visible.
Okay. Good evening, ma'am. We are group 34. So we have actually 16 members in our group, but then only 7 are active, ma'am.
7 out of 16. Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay, so these are the two titles of the projects, that is the manual test case writing and the automation testing using Selenium WebDriver. We have given the brief introduction on the manual testing and as well as automation testing, and these are the steps involved in the manual test cases. These are the requirements, the fundamental requirements which we need. And we have given just a brief summary on the manual test cases. Okay, and about the automation testing, this is the brief introduction on the OpenCart and the tools required. And we have considered our first test case, and we have given the screenshots here.
Okay, very colorful PPT. Yeah, next.
Yeah, that's it, ma'am.
Okay, now you can show the hands-on projects.
Yes, ma'am. Progeny will be sharing it.
Yeah. So, Prachari Das, yes, I can see the test cases. So, can you show me the dummy defects?
I have not done the dummy defects as of now. I'll be doing it and updating it in the while before submission.
Okay, sure.
And I have done all the test cases in the manual project as per the requirements. So this is it. And
yeah, you can move on to Selenium.
Yes, ma'am. And I have done the Selenium. This is the first test case in the Selenium project. And I've done it using TestNG, and I've also done the parameterization and the assertion, the screenshot as well, and the HTML report.
Very good. Can you show me assertions code?
Yes, ma'am. Here it is.
Okay. Please display. Okay, good. Can you show me your HTML reports, TestNG reports?
Yes, ma'am. Here it is, ma'am.
Okay, good. Yeah. Thanks, Prachuri.
Yes, ma'am. Here is the screenshot as well. It's here. Here, ma'am.
Good. Yeah. You can stop sharing, Prachuri. Thanks.
Okay. Thank you.
Got it. Yeah. So group 34, share the 7 email IDs. Okay. Very good, Sakshi. Thank you. And the last group, group 22, can share their screen. Group 22. So for tomorrow, it will be group 1, 12, 38, 24, 36 and 26 for tomorrow. Please make a note. Tomorrow, 1, 12, 38, 24, 36 and 26. Yeah, yes, I can see your screen, Sumedha.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Is it
So,
visible, right?
yes, visible. Try to keep your mic near to you.
Yes.
Right.
Am I audible?
Yes, you're
Am I
audible.
audible? Okay. So, yes, ma'am. So, very good evening to ma'am. I'm Sumedha Soni from Group 22. Here I am presenting my presentation. Hope you are able to see.
Yeah, I can see the slide.
They are 16 members representing our Group 22.
16 out of, so all are active?
Out of 16, 15 members are active. Only one member is inactive for now.
Okay.
But 15 are active.
Can you quickly go through the slides?
Yes,
Let me see what
yes, ma'am.
interestingly you have put in.
Yes, ma'am. As you know, that we have completed this manual testing project for hotel management system and this automation testing for OpenCart. Like in next, there is a manual testing project of hotel management system. That we have completed the Excel sheet of for that particular hotel management system. And in the next, there are some. This is the types of users like admin, front office, and employee. And these are the functionalities in hotel management system like access control, check-in and check-out information, edit guest information. We done all such kind of things in that. Next, these are the screenshots of my hotel management system manual testing test report. Next is this and this one. Yeah. Yes. The second project is automation testing. Here we have completed it. Completed the all test cases, all 8 test cases, and we had also take the screenshots of it. Here we use such tools and frameworks like Eclipse, Selenium WebDriver, TestNG, XMP, Chrome browser, and OpenCart.
Right.
These are the test case that you have provided to solve. We have completed it. This one. Where is this? Are you able to see, right?
Yes, I can see that the test case steps. Okay. Right.
Okay.
Now.
Here. This is the second test case.
Right. You go ahead with the Excel, Sumedha.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, sure. Stop sharing.
Your Excel is not visible.
Yes, ma'am. I will share. Here. Can you see?
Yeah, it's visible now.
Okay. Here, these all are the test cases. 6,
Have you
7.
written the defects?
Yes, ma'am. I will show you. These are the defects.
Very good. Yeah. So you can now move on to Selenium part.
Yes, ma'am. My one of my group member will show it.
Yeah. So meanwhile, Sumedha, you can share the email IDs in the chat.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Amit will show our automation test cases.
Sure. Yes, Amit, I can see your screen. I can see the XML file. So I see all 8 test cases there. Okay. So, screenshots. Okay. Parameterization. Okay. Assertions. Can you show me the assertions, Amit? Assertions. Okay. Can you show me the HTML reports? Very good. So have you added comments in your program? Very good. Good. Yeah. Good to see that you have implemented all the required parameters. Fine. Thanks, Amit. You can stop sharing. So this is group 22. So have you shared all 15 email IDs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I see 16 here. Who is the one that's inactive? Sumedha? I got 16 email IDs. Yeah, you can just tell the email ID. I can remove it. I've already copied. Okay, Yogeshwaran, the last one. Fine. Yeah. Thanks for the update, Sumedha. Yes, thanks. Okay, so team, we are done with these groups. So if you are not able to access Teams, that's okay. We will see for 2 more days if your accounts get active. Otherwise, I will tell you where you have to upload. Okay, we will try to get it uploaded in PBL app if this Teams access is not given to you. Okay, I'll update you that probably tomorrow. I'll try to, tomorrow I will be on leave, but Mohan will be taking the reviews. Okay, so these groups which I said will be for tomorrow. Just ensure that you keep everything ready. Tomorrow Mohan sir will be taking your reviews. Okay, group 1, 12, 17, 24, 26, 36 and 38. Okay, right. So any other updates? Mohan will let you know tomorrow, or I can tell you tomorrow. Omkar, yes, I have sent you unmute request.
Join after tomorrow.
Hello, yes, Omkar, tell me.
Ma'am, is there need to join after tomorrow in session?
No, I cannot hear you. Your audio is not clear.
Ma'am, is there any need to join after tomorrow in session?
Yes, join. So your review is already done. That's what you say, right? So yes. Join. Join and see if there are any updates. Okay.
And ma'am, when we supposed to receive a certificate of internship because we have to submit to the college?
Maybe June first week or second week.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Tomorrow onwards. Okay, if it is exams, that's fine. Okay, at least try to check with your friends if there are any updates. Okay. Right. So thank you all team. All the best for tomorrow's review. So other groups, if anybody have done, done with the projects and ready for presentation, they can also mention their group number and they can give it tomorrow to Mohan. Okay. Right. Thank you all team. Thanks for your time. Connect tomorrow. Okay. Bye all.